everybody. I am Zarodia's daughter.
Hey! Okay, we have a new guest here. She has already introduced herself. So continue. What are we doing today?
We're unboxing my clothes.
A SHEIN unboxing! Woo! Who is excited?
Me and you, actually.
Are you sure I'm excited, or you are more excited because you've been
Okay,
waiting?
I'm more excited. There.
Okay, so you're more excited. So what are the things that you're expecting?
Okay, we're expecting like a few headbands, like 4 or 3, a swimsuit, pajamas, some shoes.
To be honest, I've forgotten what I ordered because it's been so long.
3 months.
Yeah, 3 months in the peak of summer.
Since July.
Since July, yes, okay. And in a way, I'm a bit nervous for these items because it feels so much like when I ordered items from Fashion Nova like years ago. I really didn't like them. And there's been this rave about SHEIN. So I just thought, oh, why not? Who knows, maybe it's probably better than Fashion Nova. It's not my first time shopping online. I love shopping online on Amazon, on Zulily. Like, I love websites that I can get deals. So I was just like, okay, why not try out SHEIN for kids before I think of ordering anything for myself. So I really do hope that I'm not disappointed by this. So let's not wait any further, right?
Yeah.
And unbox.
Let the great unboxing
Begin! Okay, somebody's really excited. So I think I'm going to sort them out, and then we are going to do tops, we are going to do the 2-piece items, we are going to do dress,
trousers,
and then trousers. So yeah, let's go. Here you go. And we are also going to rate the clothing when you open them, you know.
Okay, and also like their pictures too. So let's see.
Yeah, so I'll also put the picture of what I saw online. So this one is a shirt. It's a
flower shirt.
It's a flower shirt, and it's supposed to be like a baggy kind of shirt. I think this is not bad.
Crop top. Yes.
So this is a black top. It's supposed to be a fitted top with mesh sleeves. This was really looking cute online, and I mean, it's okay, it's not bad. It's kind of light though, like the fabric is light. So yeah, what did you rate the first one? Out of 10?
Out of 10.
Okay, 9 out of 10. She's rating this 9 out of 10. What would you rate this one?
10 out of 10.
Oh, 10 out of 10. Okay. Now next. This is a crop top. I was hoping that this thing would come during summer, so you can tell I bought yellow. Yeah, and it was really looking pretty. But the fabric is not my favorite, to be honest. Yeah, it's, I don't know how to call it. Yeah, it's not a friendly fabric, so to say.
I'm going 10 out of 10 for this.
10 out of 10 for that. Okay. Next.
Okay. Amazing.
Amazing. Who is amazing?
I'm amazing.
Who is amazing? Okay, so this is also a baggy top. I do hope this is your size.
Yeah.
I really do hope, because I bought this in size 8. She's 8 years old, by the way. How would you rate this?
I'll rate this 9 out of 10. I said 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Amazing is 9 out of 10. This one is a pack of 3. So open it up. Open it up. Fine. So this is a pack of 3 sets in them. So let's find the first one.
The pink one.
I really don't like this. I don't know. Do you like this?
Yeah, I sort of like it a little.
The fabric is not what I expected it to be. It feels slightly cheaper than the previous tops. So I actually picked these tops because of the text in front of it.
Next up, we have this wonderful gray one.
top. Okay. I think these tops, for me, the texture is different as compared to the previous one, like I said. And this is what is written on this one. And to me, it even looks bigger than the previous ones. These ones are not supposed to be like baggy, but let's see how this goes when we style them. I'm also going to upload maybe a lookbook of her trying up all these pieces together. Okay, next.
And next one, we
have this
one saying selfie queen. And I love this one. I'm actually think I'm going to rate this one 11 out of 10.
11 out of 10.
Yes.
Why? Because of what is written on it?
No.
I mean, I just like
Let's
the
start
design. I really like the design
Okay.
on this one. This, what are you rating this set?
Okay, I'm rating the gray top, the pink top, and this top. I'm going to rate them all 10 out of 10.
She's rating them 10. I mean, I am going to rate them 5. I only bought them because I love the text on them. They really look cute, but the fabric doesn't look good. Like, it doesn't feel good.
Well,
Yeah, anyways, here's the next one. Now we are moving to the two-piece set. She's done with the top sets.
Okay, here is a nice top.
Like a jogger short with a crop top.
It's so dark.
Yeah, so this is supposed to be like a lounge wear, so to say. What is written on the top?
C'est la vie Paris.
C'est la vie Paris. So, yeah, what would you rate this?
I'm going to rate them 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 for her. For me, I think it's going to be a 7. Yeah. Again, the fabric feels really cheap. Kind of cheap. It's light, but it will do, you know?
Well,
Why are you feeling bad?
It's just still nice. I mean, like the ones that you're saying the thing is bad. It's actually nice and warm and cozy. That's
Okay,
the problem.
okay. She likes it. You like it?
Yeah, at least it should be okay. At least the person that's going to wear it likes it.
But what about the person spending the money? I spent the money. These items, I actually budgeted $250 to buy this, and I just wanted to be sure if they are worth the price or not. And this girl right here that has not earned any money or any sort of income is telling me all these things are worth it. Like, what does she know? Please, somebody should talk to this child of mine. Anyway, so moving on,
Here's another two-piece. We got a nice light trouser with another crop
shorts.
top.
It's shorts. It's not trousers. This is
Oh,
shorts.
I meant trouser.
So again, we are going with the summer. We're supposed to be going with the summer vibe.
Summer's go cool.
Yeah, what do you think about this one?
I like this a lot. I'm going to rate it 10 out of 10. How about you?
For me, I think it's gonna go for 8. Yeah,
I
especially because of the shorts. The fabric is not so friendly. Next.
Okay, here we have.
Okay, this is another two-piece. So let's hold it up together. So this is supposed to also be
Never give up.
like a leggings. Oh, but this feels really long.
It will fit.
It will fit.
Yeah.
Well, let's wait and see because this looks super long.
Yeah, so beautiful. Look at it. Never give up.
Up on your dreams. Rate this, madam.
Mama, I want you to go first this time. Go first. I'm always going first.
Okay. I think I'll probably rate these. They're light. That's the thing with the fabrics. They're like really light. So maybe just to make you happy. And I think I also like it. Just, you know, I like it. So I'll probably rate these again 8. Yeah, it's not fantastic. Rate
Okay,
yours.
I'm going to rate mine 1 point ahead from you. So 9 out of 10.
Oh, so she's rating it a 9.
Okay, so next up we have the tie and dye shirt that I've been looking forward to for a
Guess
very
what? It
long
actually
time.
feels like what you're wearing right now. I actually really like tie and dyes, and I like them in jersey style. But this, it felt like I thought I was buying jersey, but this is not a jersey fabric.
So it looks a little bit the same.
Yeah. So anyway, so this is it. It's also a lounge wear, a shirt,
and it has
with
a nice
hooded top. Yeah. So it's a hooded top.
Hoodie.
Yeah, and I don't know. Is this supposed to be like a crop top? Anyways,
Yes, it is a crop top.
Well, until we wait, until she styles them.
I'm going to rate this a 6.
A 6, okay. Surprisingly, this is in the next one.
My dino pajamas.
Oh, it's true. I didn't even look. So, yeah, so this is supposed to be pajamas, cozy, comfy.
Well, I don't like the fabric a lot for this one.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be cozy like the other one.
Most of their fabrics are not like cotton or like the jersey fabric kind of thing.
Okay.
There is a lot of cheap feel to their fabrics, most of their fabrics. Okay.
So because of the fabric, and it doesn't look completely like how I expected it to be.
Okay.
So
because I can see it's also rolling up. The end, like the end of it is rolling up, it's twisting up. Can you see? Yeah, it's rolling up, and the seam at the bottom of it is just hems. So yeah, I'm not happy with this.
So I'm going to rate this something close to 1. So I'm going to rate it like a 3.
Oh, okay.
4. So don't you agree with me?
I actually do agree with you. This is a 3 for me as well. This, right? Yes. No, yeah. The first time my daughter is facing the camera, and I noticed all along she's been using my viewfinder, which is right in front of me.
Ooh.
Next item. Wow! When I saw this online, I thought it was going to have that linen. I mean, it's supposed to have that linen feel, but it feels like, again, it's cheap linen. They tried for this one. I think I really like this one. But again, until we fit it, you know. Okay, so what would you rate this one?
9.
9? Okay, for me, I would rate this one a 10. I like it, despite the fabric is still not quite there, but I mean, it's okay.
Well,
until we start all these things before I really do know how I really feel. Yeah. Anyways, moving on. I think we are done with 2 pieces now.
Yeah, I think.
Let's go to.
Yeah, we're moving on to trousers.
Oh, okay, trousers.
Yeah.
Okay.
But then
here,
before
take.
I got a little something.
Oh.
Here we got my headband.
So she decided to go for this one first. Okay.
This is the headbands I was talking about earlier, and it looks like there are 4. There's a white one.
Yeah, so I think these are so cute. I really like this one. And
Yeah.
they were not so expensive. I mean, SHEIN is not so expensive.
I like
so
this
these
one.
here, this is what they look like. They are really nice, cute, beautiful,
And adorable.
and adorable.
Like,
Do you want to wear one now?
yeah, I choose this one since this one's like my favorite. I'm
Okay,
wearing white. I'm the queen of white.
Let's see. Okay, so those look really nice.
Right.
Anyways, what would you rate this? I think I really like this. This is a 10 out of 10 for me.
Me too. 10 out of 10.
Okay, so shorts.
Here we have my wonderful gray shorts.
Oh, this really looks pretty.
And it has a pearly design.
Okay, so she likes the design of the shorts, but for me, looking at the button, can you see the button? It's just plastic. Like there is no reason for that button to be there. But aside from that, I like this shorts.
Well,
Yeah. So what would you rate this?
I would rate this a 9.
I would rate this a 9 as well. Next.
Now we have here we have
Oh.
my beautiful rainbow.
No way. Is this my daughter's size or my own size? Guys, look at it. Like, I'm sure if I wear this, I'm going to fit into this. I tell
The
you.
color of the rainbow.
I mean, I like this. I ordered it because of the rainbow style, and also it was giving me the vibe of the tie and dye. Yeah, and I mean, this really feels cheap. This, I don't like it. Do you like this one?
Okay, Mama.
Like, the fabric is so light, like super light. I mean, not super light, but it's light.
So, Mom, may I ask you, what do you like about this thing?
Like I said, what I only like about it is the fact that
The rainbow.
And it was I was expecting to get her workout leggings, you know. And this, when I saw it online, I was just like, okay. I mean, I didn't even second guess it that it was not going to look like a proper workout pants, so to say, if you get that kind of fabric. But this really feels like almost cotton, but it's not cotton, so to say. Yeah, but
Yeah,
I mean,
it feels like silk.
for me, I think this,
It's
I don't even know, and looking at this is big for her. My daughter is on the small side, and I mean, like,
Yeah.
seriously, what's going on? So this is a 3-piece set. So it's 3 leggings inside. They all look big. What?
Yeah, well,
They all
they're
look big.
nice.
And I think I really don't like their leggings. It
Yeah.
feels cheap. Like, really does feel
Like,
cheap.
I feel like this one's gonna fit me. Yeah, it looks a little bit like it's going to fit me.
Yeah, I really don't like the quality. I'm going to check the price though to be sure if it's worth it. Otherwise, I mean, even looking at this is not worth it because compared to these leggings here, she has not worn this. And someone got it for her from Amazon. These are the spotted zebra. Yeah, the texture of this is like, I mean, definitely better. This one also comes in sets, so I mean,
this trouser, it feels like it's silk.
This one feels like it's silk. This too feels silky.
Yeah.
But this one, they are trying to make it look like it's cotton, but it's not cotton.
This one is rather cotton, if you ask me.
Yeah, those ones are really like jersey kind of fabrics.
Oh my god.
No, sorry, why am I saying cotton? It's a jersey fabric. Anyways, I would rate this also 2.
Okay, I'll rate this a 5. I'll give this a 5.
She's giving it a 5, even though she knows they are not her size. She's still giving it 5. For me, it's 2 because I bought her size and it doesn't look like this is her size.
Bye.
Bye. See you in the
next
video.
And please hit that like.
And
smash that subscribe button and ring that notification
bell
and comment down below if you like this video and which clothes you like.
Okay.